Welcome to Phone Transformer, where I will guide you through exactly how to block private numbers Android to keep your phone free from annoying spam and anonymous callers. This setup is perfect for maintaining your privacy and stopping unwanted interruptions, so now let's get started. Step 1. Tap on Settings by clicking the gear icon found on your home screen or within your app drawer to open your device configuration. This menu allows you to manage all aspects of your smartphone, including how it handles incoming communication and security. Step 2. Go to SIM and network settings to access the specific controls for your cellular provider and calling preferences. This area is important because it regulates how your phone interacts with the mobile network and filters incoming signals. Step 3. Tap Harassment filter to find the advanced blocking tools that help identify and stop suspicious or unwanted phone calls. This feature is designed to act as a shield, protecting you from telemarketers and callers who hide their identity. Step 4. Turn on both block numbers not in contacts and block unknown, such as hidden numbers, to ensure that only people you know can reach you. Activating these toggles is the final step in securing your phone from private callers and mysterious foreign numbers. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.